Now, we will read these words again and we'll see how they can be used in various sentences. You can see letter A. When separately it is there, we say A. The phonic sound of letter A. And this is M. M says M. What will happen when they come together? We are going to read them as M. How we are going to read them? As M. Now see. Can you see the letter? Which letter is there? It's D. And here it is. M is already there. And how we are going to read them together? It's D, M. And when they come together, we say dam. You can see the picture of dam. Dam is a place where we store water from the river. When too much of rainfall happens, we store water in a dam and we can release water from that. Now, let's see the sentence. Read the sentence with me. I can see a dam from my house. Once more. I can see a dam from my house. You can see the picture of the dam. Let's go to the next slide. Which letter can you see there? Let this letter come and join with M and then we will read. J-am, jam. Repeat after me. J-am, jam. You can see a bottle of jam and the sentence is I like to eat jam. You can see jam is written in red here. I like to eat jam. Where we apply jam? We apply jam usually on our bread, right? Let's go to the next slide. You can see one letter is there. What is the sound of this letter? You all know. It is Y and Y says Y. Y says Y. And here M is waiting. And let's see what happens when they come together. Become Y, M, yam. Repeat after me. It's Y, M, yam. You can see the image of yam and we can read this sentence. Repeat after me. Yam is a root vegetable. Again, yam is a root vegetable. Means yam is found under the ground. It is a kind of root vegetable like carrot is. Okay? Let's see which family word is scheduled next. It's A. When separately only A is there, it's N. When only N is there. But when they join each other, they become N. Now we will read it as N. Look at this slide. Which letter is this? You can read it. This is C. C says K. C says K. And this is N. So now let's see when C joins N, what happens? They become K and can. K and can. You can see the picture of a can and the sentence we can say, I kept the can in the fridge. Once more, repeat after me. I kept the can in the fridge. We usually get soft drink within this can, this kind of can, right? Let's move on to the next slide. Which letter can you see here? Let this letter joins N and then we are going to read it. F says F and this is N. So we are going to read this as F and fan. F and fan. And you can see the image of a fan. Now let's read the sentence. If we feel cold, we turn off the fan. Like for an example, when we feel cold in winter, do we turn the fan on? Never ever. We turn it off. And here you can see fur and fan, this word. Once more, we will read this sentence. If we feel cold, we turn off the fan. So you have seen how the word fan can be used in a sentence. Let's move on to the next slide. Now let's see which word is waiting for us. Let us read it. Ran. Ran. R and an together. R and ran. You can see this boy. And let us read the sentence. The boy ran when a dog chased him. Means a dog was chasing him. That's why this boy ran. Let us read this sentence once more. The boy ran when a dog chased him. Means the boy was afraid of dog. This is a new family word and it's a because it is only one and it is per. Okay? When they join each other, they become app. This is app. Please repeat after me. App.
So children, in today's class, we have learnt 3 family words, right? One is am, another is an, another is app. And we have made 3 words with each family word. So at home, please revise them, make new sentences, use them in sentences. Okay? Till then, bye-bye. See you.